Now before we're ready to make the pie filling, first we have to get the pie crust ready. Now you can either make your own pie crust or you can get store-bought pie crust. But either way, you're probably still going to have to roll it out in order for it to fit into the pan. You want to make sure that you get a nice, round, even circle, about 13 inches in order to fit into the 9-inch pie pan. Now you can see that for rolling out, I have a pastry board, although you can just use a countertop. As long as you don't have small ornate tiles, any flat surface is going to work for rolling your pie crust out. The other thing you'll notice is that I've got the pie crust between two pieces of wax paper. This makes cleanup so much easier. It also allows you to roll the pie crust out without having to worry about adding flour, which could make the pie crust dry, and it makes it a lot easier for putting it into your pie pan. So you just want to get nice, smooth, even surface, and then we're ready to put it into the pie pan.